Hello, you're watching the training video for items number 5 and 6 pertaining to assessment results and analysis of the eLumen Learning Support Outcomes Annual Assessment Reporting Template. From the introductory video, you already know how to access eLumen, ensuring that you've logged in as department coordinator, you've selected the appropriate student service or learning community for this annual assessment of learning support outcomes, and you've accessed your template via the link provided under Strategic Planning and Initiatives. For the purpose of this training video, I will be using the Counseling Offices template. Using the scroll bar on the right-hand side of the screen, I'm going to scroll down to the section of my learning support outcome that I'm reporting on. Again, all these questions that you see under learning support outcome number 1 have been repeated to allow for multiple LSOs in a given annual cycle to report on assessment of. So now I'm going to go to item number 5. To begin, I'm going to summarize the results of my assessment of my first LSO and provide the data. This works like a Word document. I position my cursor in the text box below item number 5 and begin typing. You can also copy and paste if you have this in a previous drafted Word document, or if you used the reporting template in the Word document format that's available on the LSO Assessment webpage. You can also copy and paste directly from that document into here. You can use bold, italicize, or underline to emphasize any text you want to. After I am done entering in the summary of my assessment of my first LSO and the results of that, then I'm ready to proceed to item number 6. Scrolling down, item number 6 wants me to summarize the analysis of the assessment. So basically, explain what the data showed me. I position my cursor in the text box below item number 6, or I could copy and paste it from a Word document that I previously drafted with the response to this. Again, it works just like a Word document. Once I am done entering in the summary of the analysis of the assessment, then I'm done with item number 6, and I'm ready to proceed to the next training video, which will explain items 7 through 11 on the effectiveness of those outcomes and the part it plays on my program. Thank you, and have a great day.